When we began to focus on this field, we discovered more of the unknown. Our desire to explore infinite possibilities gets stronger and stronger. So we try to change. We try to be bold and innovative. Harnessing our expertise and experience, we know we can push the boundaries. With each breakthrough, each time we resolve a problem, we are driven to challenge the next level, to break through our own limits. Nothing can motivate us to move forward like transcending challenges. There is no greater pride than helping a client find a solution and becoming an indispensable partner. Each set of molds is carefully crafted by the team with experience, professionalism, and dedication. As we become stronger, we should also do our part to protect all that is good in the world. This is our heartfelt commitment, a promise that we shall never compromise.